You see this hairline and this parting. Actually, it's very high density for this wig. The gap between the hair, hand tie, is very nice, very natural, and you can part anywhere. You can part anywhere as you like. From here, from here. I just want to show you this lace. The density, I just want to show you the density. Here is very good, and you can part here, here. You see, it's very good here. So this is the wig we just made for the customers. This one, and you can see here. And this is the 13 by 4 frontal wig with the pre-plug here, with the natural hairline and the baby hair from ear to ear. Let me take the wig off. As you can see here, it's very natural ear to ear. This big lace, 30 by 4. Is you need to cut this cloth. Remember to cut this cloth. It's in the front. From cutting the cloth from this line here. Just cut it. Use the scissor, and this will be this one. Very nice density. See the volume.